guys, I got here 2022 GMC Elevation. I'm gonna show you how to remove your upper bumper cover and the grill also, but I'm gonna show it to you on reverse thing, because I already removed it, but I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it. I'll show you what's the last thing parts, what's the first parts, what you have to do this. So you can start. So what you have to do is pull this thing in. Okay, pull it out. Pull it out not all the way, partially. There you go. And there's two Torx 15 there and here. Show you the inside of this. So there's a clips right there, there. Then what you have to do is pull this thing really slowly. Pull it slowly. Then you see all the clips right there. Yeah. When it's done, I got to tell you that once you take this wheel liner, your fender player, or the fender player has the clips, there's the 7 mil right here, right there. You have to put it on. So once you remove this, you have to pull the side of the bumper, and then there's two Torx 15 here, and there's a clips right there. There's two clips on the side that you have to pry in order for you to remove the whole bumper. And all the push clips, I'm talking about this, take that off, okay, all the way. That will be 9 clips right there, right here, right here, right here, right here, and right there. Okay, I'll put it on. There we go. So this is what it looks like, right? Once I remove this, there, put it on, and then this is your release handle for your hood. Put it on, put it in, and you need a Torx 15. You need 2 Torx 15 to remove. There. Torx 15, Torx 15, Torx 15. So what I did is move the grill. So there is 6 pieces of 10 mil, 4 on top, 1. Guys, I'm showing you the reverse method, but it's gonna be the same thing how you take it out. Okay, 10 mil here. Woo! Then 10 mil here. 1. So 3 10 mil in the bottom. Then on top, that's like 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't know if you guys could see. There. I'm gonna remove the grill. So first things first, you have to remove the clips here. There's a total of 9 clips that you have to remove using your pry tool or any nut screwdriver. Remove all the way here, right here, there, there, there. It's 9 pieces of screw, push-up clips. And once it's out, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 mil that holds your bumper grill. Here, I'm gonna show you. So this is the inside of the bumper grill. There's a metal prong here that holds right there. Here. So that's the reverse method on how you remove your front bumper or upper bumper and grill of your 2022 GMC Elevation. Again, let's recap. Clips, 9 clips, 10 for 10 mil bolt, and at the bottom is 10 mil bolt, and then on the side 1/7 mil. Pop this out, 2 Torx both sides, and then pull the whole bumper.